Hello world, let's explore how to use your mobile phone as a mouse and keyboard in your laptop. Open your Play Store. In the search bar, type Wi-Fi mouse server. Open it. Click here to install. You can see a video, read about application. Here are some reviews. Now click here to open. Click allow. OK. Allow. Now you have to install the same application on your desktop version, in your laptop. So let's move on your laptop screen. Open your browser. In the URL bar, type Wi-Fi mouse server. Open this website. Scroll down. Choose the version of your operating system. I have already downloaded, so open your download file. Click here to install. Click on yes. OK. Next. Install. Click on I agree. Click on next. That's it. Now move on your mobile screen to connect your mobile as a mouse and keyboard. Now let's move on your mobile screen. You can see here under computers your laptop is showing here. Click here to open. Now you can use your mobile as a mouse and keyboard. Here are keyboard functions. You can use it. Here are some music control buttons like volume up and down and next and previous. This function is related to open any software or application. For remote desktop, to browse your computer files. Here are some settings. You can change mouse sensitivity and scroll sensitivity, and so many functions are there. You can choose as suitable as you want. That's it.